Your chia seeds might be doing the exact opposite of what you think. Instead of helping belly fat, they may be teaching your body to hold on to it. Most people never notice the moment it goes wrong, and it usually happens in the first 2 days. Chia seeds are powerful, but only when your body gets the right cues. Most people follow advice that sounds healthy, but completely confuses their metabolism. And the 7-day protocol that actually burns belly fat works very differently. Maybe this feels familiar. You add chia seeds to your smoothie, or drink chia water every morning. For a few days, it feels promising, but the belly area barely moves. Energy dips by afternoon, and cravings sneak back at night. So you wonder quietly, why isn't this working for me? There are 3 mistakes that break this 7-day protocol for most people, and they start on day 1. Chia seeds contain fiber, omega-3 fats, and minerals that support metabolism. But your body responds best when timing, hydration, and meal balance line up. If those cues are off, your body shifts into protection mode instead of fat burning. Mistake number 1. Why drinking chia too early backfires. Many people drink chia water the second they wake up. But here's what happens. Your body wakes up slightly dehydrated. Digestion is slow. Stomach enzymes are still ramping up. When thick chia gel hits too early, it weighs digestion down instead of helping it. The result? Less fat burning and a heavy feeling in the gut. Let your body wake first. Water, movement, then introduce chia. But timing isn't the biggest issue, because the next mistake quietly blocks the whole protocol. Mistake number 2. Why poor hydration works against you. Chia seeds absorb up to 10 times their weight in water. If your body isn't properly hydrated, chia seeds pull water from your digestive system instead of working with it. This slows digestion and increases bloating. It's like trying to push sand through a dry pipe. During the real protocol, hydration comes before and after each serving. But the next mistake is subtle, and it's why belly fat often stays even when everything looks right. Mistake number 3. The trigger that helps your body release belly fat. Chia seeds don't burn fat directly. They change the conditions around it. When chia fiber reaches the gut, it slows sugar absorption and feeds beneficial bacteria. Those bacteria produce compounds that improve insulin response. Better insulin control means the body can finally access stored belly fat. But this only happens when chia is eaten with the right meals. When chia is paired with balanced meals, not sugary smoothies, the body sees steadier blood sugar, lower insulin spikes, easier fat release. That's why the 7-day protocol works. Not because chia is magic, because the body finally gets a clear message. Your body doesn't burn fat from ingredients. It burns fat from the conditions they create. So here's the protocol. Days 1 and 2. Start with 8 to 12 ounces of plain water. Wait 20 minutes. Then take 1 tablespoon of soaked chia with a light savory breakfast. Eggs, oats, or avocado, not a smoothie. Days 3 to 5. Add a 2nd tablespoon at lunch, soaked at least 15 minutes with a protein-rich meal. Drink water before and after. This is where blood sugar starts leveling out. Days 6 and 7. Keep both servings. Avoid chia within 2 hours of bedtime. By now, cravings drop and the waistline starts responding. When meals and timing line up, your body responds naturally. Your metabolism doesn't need forcing. Your body isn't broken. It's responding to the cues you give it. Now everything comes down to one thing: keeping insulin quiet, stable blood sugar, lower spikes, fat release. And I have a video that takes you one step further. It's called 3 Insulin Tricks That Kill Visceral Fat Fast, and it shows you how to keep insulin low all day. It's on your screen right now. Watch it next.